see. All right, I'll put it in the chat. Anybody that needs to email me and let me know. All right, let's get going, Miss Officer Thomas.
State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge John B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious practices. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
All right, good morning, everyone. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to do the best I can to get you out in the order that you came in. You ready, Ms. Williams? Yes. This is the City of Detroit versus Cormaine Angelo Lanier, case number SP 160051. Appearance, please.
Elwood Story Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lanier.
Kwame, Quamane. Lanier, Lanier.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. You have that insurance copy for me?
Yeah, I had the insurance.
You gonna show it to me?
Yeah, I'm trying to flip the camera around.
All right. You can just hold it up to the camera if you choose. All right, let's see what that is here. Now, is this insurance to the vehicle you were driving that day?
Yes.
Is in whose name is that in?
It's in Brenda Royal.
Yeah, let me see it again.
Okay.
Slide over, let me see the expiration date.
Expiration date.
All right, well, I'm gonna dismiss the case, provide valid documentation, Mr. Lanier. Have a very good day and best of luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you.
I see it. All right. Let's move on. Carl Les.
Yes, sir.
Morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Ricardo Leslie, case number SP 1613017, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1613061. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Leslie. Please state your name for the record.
Mr. Leslie, state your name for the record, please.
Ricardo Leslie.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Why don't you discuss this matter and see if you can get an offer from the city attorney, all right?
Okay.
Then have a conversation with Mr. Leslie. Mr. Leslie, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Wait on Ms. Harris to come see you, all right? She's gonna have a conversation with you.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter, and you have an absolute right to a trial. Keep that in mind.
Okay.
You got another one?
Yeah. Throw the other one up.
Oh, okay. See how it is.
Right, too fast. That first one. Don't give him that. You know, that first one I gave you, throw that one out. Keep that one instead. Because that one got all the free trials on there for today. There you go. Thank you, George.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
That's so fun.
I couldn't read that. All right, I was ready.
All right, let's go ahead. Let's go, City of Detroit. Benjamin Gates. Mr. Gates, did you get that to me yet?
I'm trying to work this out, man. Judge, because I got it on the phone. It's a possibility I can like show it to you through the phone, through my other phone.
Yeah.
I can do that.
This is the City of Detroit versus Benjamin Gates, case number SP 1606581.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name for the record, Mr. Gates.
Benjamin Solomon Trinell Gates.
Right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Let's see what you have. If you can hold it up, please. All right, let's see.
All right. See that?
Looking. Hold on. Slide it on over, Benjamin. That's David Gates. Is this
my brother?
Is this the vehicle you say is being insured?
Yes. It's my
All right,
brother.
let me see the expiration date. 8/22/2024. Slide it over. All right, dismiss the case for provide valid documentation. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
I'm trying to think of let me name a few of these people on the iPhone. I just let you in the room. I'm gonna ask you to unmute yourself and start your camera and state your name, please. Good morning to you.
Shantae Lee, good morning.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Lee.
I wish they made those for dudes. I definitely have one. Yeah.
Mr. Bowman. You gotta mute yourself, please. On the Motorola Moto G, I think they left now. Officer Frazier, good morning to you. Who's your defendant?
Morning, Your Honor. Miss Janice Lindsay.
Okay, Janice Lindsay. Okay, good morning to you. What about Gribble? Jesse Gribble? Is Brianna Wilson Riley here? Is Jamila Graham here? All right, let's keep on going. Sandra's Galaxy. I can't remember your last name, Miss Sandra.
Officer Frazier, this is Mr. Bowman. I'm breakout room 1, please.
Sandra's Galaxy. Sandra Grubbs. Sandra Grubbs, good morning to you. All right, Ms. Grubbs, are you there? Need to unmute yourself, please.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Well, thank you. Do you have a valid license, Ms. Grubbs?
No, I was told misinformation, so I have to start over again.
Told you misinformation.
The young lady at the Secretary of State, when I went to get my ID, told me I can get my license. And when I went down there Tuesday morning, another young lady said I have another ticket.
Where is that ticket?
Out in Taylor.
City of Detroit versus Sandra Gail Grubbs, case number SD 157395551. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grubbs.
Miss Sandra Gail Grubbs.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Have you done anything about the ticket in
Yes, sir. I'm trying to get in touch with them as I still have to work also. And my mom is on dialysis, so I put everything into my schedule. And I thought I was clear when I went down to the Secretary of State to get my ID.
When do you have it to get that? Let's set a trial date. I'm going to give you until December the 2nd. All right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. December the 2nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you. I wish your mom some praying for her good health. All right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Have a great day, Ms. Grubbs. December the 2nd, 9 a.m.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
With Zoe's iPhone?
Yeah, I'm here.
What is your name, ma'am?
Zoe O'Neill.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
There's another iPhone that just joined the room. Good morning to you. What is your name, ma'am?
Me?
You look, no, straight into the camera. iPhone.
Good morning. This is Sergeant Willis. I was just joining the Zoom since I left out of the courtroom.
No, not you, Sergeant Willis. The
Janice.
other,
Janice
officer.
Lindsay.
Oh, that's Janice Lindsay. All right. The
Good morning.
You're welcome. Good morning to you. Good morning to both of you. The officers are coming in on Janice Lindsay.
Thank you.
All right. Let's get you're all right. You got a minute, Miss Lindsay. You can just sit tight, all right?
I'm right here for Janice Lindsay.
Yeah, I think there's a couple of officers on. Let's see. Let's get good morning. How are you?
This is Prosecutor Bowman. Any officers who are on Janice Lindsay's cases Can you please meet me in breakout room number 1?
This is the city of Detroit versus Zoe Grace O'Neill. Case numbers SP 1609278, counts 1 and counts 2. Hearing for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. O'Neill.
Zoe O'Neill.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. O'Neill. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yeah, I sent you an email this morning with the subject as my name.
I don't think I got it. I didn't get it.
You didn't get it?
No. Did you put the period in there? My email address is in the chat. You can send it to me now. I'll pass the map. Oh, let's see. All right.
Yeah, Sean that.
Officer Taylor is here. C. Taylor is here. Okay. Let's move on to the city of Detroit versus Demond Gary, case number SP 1609033, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gary.
My name is Demond Gary.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. This disregard officer signal, you might have to get a offer on this one here, Mr. Barrett. I'll read the ticket if there's any notes. So the notes say the allegations suggest that vehicle was southbound Berkshire from Frankfurt Street. Driver not wearing a seatbelt conducted a stop. The driver was irate and non-compliant, rolled his window up and refused to exit the vehicle several times. Okay, that's disregarding officer signal. That's the allegation. I'm going to let you speak to Mr. Barry in the breakout room. He's going to get you an updated offer. You have an absolute right to a trial, and then you let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
All right.
Let's pass the matter.
Sorry, Your Honor. This is Officer Frazier. I'm trying to figure out how to join the breakout room.
He didn't give you a signal. Put all the officers in one. All the officers. The other officer I missed, Willis. Officer Willis.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sergeant Willis. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Okay, counselor, good morning to you. Who's your client?
Good morning, Your Honor. My client is Ann O'Dani.
Ann O'Dani?
O-L-D-A-N-I.
O-L-D-A-N-I, and I don't think Ms. O'Dani has showed
She
yet.
is, she has. Actually, up there, she said her attorney is actually coming in.
She's out there in the hallway, okay. So Odani is set for a trial. Okay, so what's gonna happen? Have you talked to anybody yet?
Well, Your Honor, the I can get down there in half an hour. But we were supposed to get copies of supposed to get the tape of the arrest. This was released during a political demonstration. We haven't received it yet. I filed I did a FOIA request. I ended up filing a complaint in circuit court to get the tape of the arrest.
Okay, what about Mr., did you request that? Let me get Odani file. Did you request the discovery on the date?
Yes, I did, Your Honor. I requested it the last time we were there.
You want to make a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. I moved to dismiss the case.
Oh, let's call it first. That was pretty quick. Where's Mr. Bowman? Go ahead in the breakout room, speak to Mr. Bowman about it. Let him know what your motion is gonna be. And then.
In 2016, he began working under Sewell. If promoted LP1.
Somebody's gotta turn their television off or something, or mute it or something, mute themselves. Are we ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gary. Mr. Gary, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your plan?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want, Mr. Gary?
Yes.
Right, well, let's give a pretrial date and a trial date. Pretrial, come back on, well, let's just give a pretrial date now because I want to make sure that the officer has, no, I want to make sure your appointed attorney gets in contact with you. I don't have any trial dates after December 12th. So let's push this to December the 12th for the purposes of getting that attorney appointed to you. I need a good number from you, please.
313-716-8900.
And I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that attorney, we'll appoint one on the spot for you on December the 12th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right, okay, sir?
All right.
I'm at 8:30 a.m. Best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
You too.
Gaylor, Deshaun Gaylor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm well. How about yourself?
Kind of tired, just getting off work.
All right, we'll try to get you out of here so you can go get some sleep. This is the city of Detroit versus this is the city of Detroit versus Deshaun Renee Gaylor, case number SP 687-4281. Appearing for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gaylor.
Deshaun Renee Gaylor. That's with a G, as in girl.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gaylor, do you have valid insurance?
I don't own a car, sir.
Okay, let's set this matter for a trial. It's a 2017 ticket. What is this year?
24. Is this the Ford Focus?
Yes, years ago.
Oh, that's been gone.
All right, you want to speak to Mr. Bowman, about a dismissal, this matter for age? I don't know what what year, they say 7 or 8 years. Speak to Mr. Bowman. Let's wait a minute, Ms. Gaylor. If not, we'll set a trial date and just have you back one more time. We should get some resolution.
I could speak to him because I really need my license to get back.
I'm telling him, the city attorney, you just sit tight, all right?
Okay.
All right, we're waiting on the lawyers, so just give us a minute. Are we ready on Oldani? Good morning, Ms. Lynn.
I know this is a bit odd. This is trial date, but I spoke to Mr. Bowman and we're going to ask for another pretrial date.
City of Detroit versus Ann Elizabeth Oldani, case number SP 157445441. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Kurt Thornblade on behalf of Ms. Oldani, the responded in this civil infraction.
Ms. Oldani, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Your Honor, Kurt Thornblade on behalf of Ann Oldani, the respondent.
Yeah, what's your P number, please, Counselor?
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, P25858.
All right, you gotta speak up, Ms. Oldani.
Ann Elizabeth.
Very well. Good morning to you.
Officer Randall.
Badge number, department, please.
Detroit Police, badge 4622.
All right, why are we moving this? Well, what are we doing? Why are we doing this?
Well, I'm advised that these are political cases because it was a political demonstration. I was advised that the city attorney's office is treating these with great scrutiny. I do have a outstanding request for discovery. Mr. Bowman said send him an email and we'll see if we can get it. And we both agree that this should be moved to another pretrial.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, pretrial 12/12/2024. This is going to be the last. We need to move this along. Matter of fact, we need to set this for another trial date.
As the court pleases.
If it doesn't do anything this time, they don't have the discovery, because that discovery was made what day?
The last pretrial, Your Honor.
All right, and where is it, Mr. Bowman?
I have no notice of any discovery request that has been made.
My records indicate it was a different city attorney, but she sent it on to a paralegal. The paralegal said there's no discovery in this kind of case, which I disagree with. I went to circuit court and filed an appeal on the FOIA request instead.
What happened?
But I want to get this resolved in district court if we can do it.
And Officer
Your Honor, if I allow before the next date, I can turn in another CD prosecutor.
So it is available. If something is available.
I needed to get it again and turn it in if you don't have it, but I can do it.
When can that be done? I don't understand why it hasn't been done. But you instead of you haven't made your motion on the record, so you don't want to make that motion, Mr. Counselor?
Well, yes, Your Honor. I had originally made a motion to dismiss the case because of the lack of discovery.
Yeah, and you made the request. Now, you have proof that, and as an officer of the court, I'm not going to you have proof of that request that you made?
Yes, Your Honor, and I did make a request to the city attorney's office. I've been kind of ignored by the city attorney's office on my request. I mean, in a comparable non-political case in Dearborn Heights, I did a request for the tape in a civil infraction case, and they had it ready in a week and charged me $9. But I've got a bill for $200 to get the tape from the city, and I sent the money in, and they didn't even cash the check.
Mr. Bowman?
Well, a couple things. Number one, based upon what counsel said, if this is a civil infraction, then there is no discovery. That's number one. Number two, he indicated that whatever he sent was not to the city of Detroit, it was to the state of Michigan. That's not us.
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor. I did a FOIA request to the city of Detroit. Perhaps I misspoke myself.
Okay. Well, maybe I misheard. Okay. So
He said he sent a $200 check as well, and who was that check to? The city law department?
Yes, Your Honor. And the check has never been presented.
And what about the email? Who did you email this stuff to?
I think I sent that to
Mason, Chiku Mason.
Dia Mason, yes.
Now, what date was that?
That was the date of our last pretrial.
And that was and your argument, Mr. Bowman, suggesting that it's not discovery, where there's no discovery because it's a civil infraction. Explain that to me.
that is my understanding from speaking with other prosecutors here when dealing with discovery requests on civil infractions.
If I may, Your Honor, I received a request from discovery from the city attorney's office asking some questions about my client's involvement in the demonstration, and I filled it out, had my client signed it, and I sent it back. So the city attorney sent, now that I've given my disclosures, the city is now arguing that there is no discovery, and I think that the court rule which says there's no discovery in district court unless ordered by the district court judge.
Okay, go ahead. What did you say that last part?
Well, my view of the law is that in district court generally, there is no discovery in anything unless it's ordered by the district court judge. And in this case, we're ordered by you to provide the tape. And I
have an officer here saying that the tape exists. And furthermore, if Mr. Bowman, if the city is going to be able to elicit something as a way of discovery from the defendant, why is it not fair for her to ask for whatever the city has?
Your Honor, I agree that if there is discovery and we are in a formal hearing, that the other side should have that document if there is an order from the district court to provide it. I have not seen an order up until today to provide whatever discovery there is, if there is any. And again, Your Honor, as you are well aware, I'm a little handicapped on this issue such that I was not part of the city of Detroit law department at the time that these things were happening.
I understand that. I understand that, but that doesn't shield you.
I understand. I'm just trying to make a full record, Your Honor. But the most important thing is counsel is correct that when a district court orders discovery, then discovery should be given pursuant to that order.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lastly give you, Mr. Bowman, an opportunity to consult with Ms. Mason And I'll give you an opportunity to respond through Ms. Mason. And this is gonna be right now. We're gonna resolve this right here and now. Well, if Ms. Mason, if Ms. Mason contests the fact that counselor did not send her the email or contest the fact that this was not supposed to be given up on this day. As a matter of fact, I have an officer here saying that he gave this copy of the tape over, the CD over. Is that correct?
Yeah, I gave it there.
Right. So I'll give you a few minutes to consult with Ms. Mason about that. If there's nothing, I'm gonna make my ruling. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. If I can have a couple moments, Ms. Mason is also on her individual dockets. I've got to interrupt her. Thank
Give me
you.
a few. Have a seat, and then we'll get some, hopefully get that on. Okay, that gets me down to Jacqueline Griffin. This is Mr. Berry, City of Detroit versus Jacqueline Emily Griffin, case number U600107121. Appearance for the record, please.
Hello, can you hear me?
Elvis Berry, on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Griffin.
Jacqueline Griffin.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for. What do we set for, Counselor?
Your Honor, I've not as yet located it on the docket.
It's on trial. Let's see if the officer is here. We give the officer a half-hour grace period, Ms. Griffin.
Okay.
From 9 o'clock. This is a 2021 case. Officer Rhodes, if Officer Rhodes is here, let's give Officer Rhodes a few more minutes, all right?
Okay.
And then we'll call the case. Let's pass the matter.
Okay.
Let's move on down to.
Your Honor, we're ready on Gaylor.
Let's go back on the record with Gaylor. This is what's going to happen in this case.
Per the prosecutor, Your Honor, this matter is to be dismissed.
I'm going to waive the warrant fee, Ms. Gaylor. You're going to be responsible for the $45 reinstatement fee, all right?
Yes.
If there's nothing further, ma'am, best of luck to you. Have a very good day, all right?
I have one question.
What is that?
For me to pay this, do I come down there and give y'all the money or take it to Secretary of State, or do I take it out the bond?
Oh, use a bond in the case? They're going to take it
Yeah, I
out
have
the bond.
pay that $200 bond.
Okay. They're going to take it off the bonds, and then you may make sure your address is right so that bond comes back to you.
Do I need to come down there and update it to make sure?
No, what is, are you still at Newport?
No, sir, no.
All right, let me see, what is your address? If you want to come down, you can do that on your own, or you can give it to me now.
I mean, if I come down there, do I get the money this same day, or it'll still be?
No, you're not gonna get the money the same day. The money's gonna come in a check. You might not even get that till Christmas or afterward.
Okay, I'll give you the address.
All right. What is it?
You want to see my ID or?
No, I mean, you know your address.
Okay. 24058 Middle Bridge Drive, Clinton Township.
That's all one word?
Yes.
MIDDLEVRIDGE?
No, sir. It's MEADOW.
Okay.
Bridge.
Okay. All right, and that's 24058 Meadow Bridge. And
yes.
what is the city and then zip code?
Clinton Township, Michigan. 48035. And that address was 24058.
Exactly.
Okay.
Penn Township 48035. Any apartment or anything, or is that a house?
Yes, a house.
Very, I'm gonna put them, we'll apply bond, we'll see if that works. And then we'll change address as well. All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you, man. Have a very good day.
Thank you.
All right, very good. Mr. Barry, you got Lewis, Tyrone Lewis. Tyrone Lewis, he's on the phone.
I'm on the phone, yes, sir. Hello?
Let's see.
Hello?
Yeah, I got you. Hold on, Mr. Lewis.
Okay.
All right, City of Detroit versus Tyrone Francis Lewis. Case number SP 1431770, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1612649, counts 1, 2, and 3. And Z8088961 217 323 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Tyrone Francis Lewis.
All right. This is Mr. Lewis here. We have issues, sir. We have issues. I need you to come in. I got some reports here that you failed tests, you missed tests, and the last few weeks you've tested negative, but we got problems. I told you last time if there's some positive or failed tests, then we're going to up the ante on this bond.
Your Honor, I did not miss any tests. I went through other tests, and I did it.
No, stop. So now we have an issue whether you want a hearing or not, because I have a report saying that you missed tests, and I have a report saying that you're positive for cocaine. Okay, so now you can contest that. You can set the matter for a hearing, and you can contest that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you in a breakout room. But as of right now, we're going to up the ante on the bond, okay? So I'll let you speak with Mr. Berry. Did you put your appearance on the record with this one?
I did, Your Honor.
Breaks in.
All right, speak to the lawyer first before you go and say anything. Have a conversation with him, all right?
Just hold out for 2 minutes. Okay.
All right. Mr. Davis, good morning to you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
And while you're waiting, we are ready on Mr. Leslie's matter.
Yes.
All right. Where is Leslie? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ricardo David Leslie. Mr. Leslie, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there is a recommendation wherein the civil infraction for failing to disclose CPL is going to be amended to subsection 1, failing to display the CPL license, $100 civil infraction. My client admit to that, and the remaining matters were being dismissed. Your Honor, the court is muted.
All right. You want to take the deal, sir? Where's Mr. Leslie? Can you get that statute number, Ms. Harris?
I'm here.
It's the same statute as written on the ticket, except it is subsection 1. So it's 28.425F1 instead of 5.
I have, 425F, and I have 3 here. It's subsection 1.
I have 5 when I looked up the ROA, but it's subsection 1.
It's on the thing, it's F2F2281425F3, so I'll put 1. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, find your client responsible for the amended count of the failure to disclose CPL, and that's 28.425F subsection 1. $100, sir. When can you pay it?
ASAP.
All right, I'll pay it today, or I'll give you until tomorrow to get it in here. Pay it in any that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, you have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir. You do as well.
Thank you. On Lena's iPhone, go ahead.
Your Honor, if I please, can I have Counselor Thornblock in breakout room 4, please?
Yes, Your Honor, I will go to breakout room 4.
Thank you.
All right. Lena's iPhone.
Yes.
Morning to you, ma'am. What's your full name?
Julina Gibson.
Julina Gibson. All right. Julina Latrice Gibson.
Yes.
On City of Detroit versus Julina Latrice Gibson, case number SP 1611502, counts 20, counts 2. Appearing for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gibson, please state your name.
Julina Gibson.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Gibson, do you have valid insurance and registration?
Yes.
All right, can you show the court that, please? Satisfied with that? Hold it up a little bit, please. And push it a little closer, please. All right, I'm satisfied. I'm going to dismiss the case, provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, Ms. Gibson, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Wayne Lee, I haven't gotten that yet. Somebody sent me some documentation. Here.
Okay.
Is that Ms. Gibson? We're still waiting on that. Wait a minute. Let's go. City of Detroit versus Dwayne Lee. Case numbers SP 1375561, SP 153670021, SP 1574139. Counts 1, counts 2. Mr. Lee, state your name for the record, please.
Dwayne Lee.
Good morning, you. Today's date and time set for a pretrial. All right.
Your Honor, Mr. Bowman, is Dwayne Lee scheduled for
Dwayne Lee
review?
is scheduled for review.
Yes,
All right.
yes.
Mr. Lee,
Yeah.
first of all, I appreciate your community service work. So I know the people over there at the Grace Community places they appreciated that too, and the people that they serve. For that, I am going to dismiss your cases and close the civil infractions out. All right.
Okay.
Give you clear slate.
Thank you.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day.
You do the same. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Klein.
Robeo Livingston.
Your Honor, if I may, Mr. Thornblatt and I have reached resolution on his
That
case.
is correct, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Donnie. I'm sorry. What's going to be the resolution with this?
Your Honor, may it please the court, Victor Bowman, P337644 for the people. The resolution of this case is that there will be dismissal of the present charge with a stipulation on the record to probable cause to issue the ticket.
That is correct, Your Honor. That's a standard. The case is dismissed with prejudice, but the respondent was a member of the Michigan Social Workers for Palestine.
Let me stop you for a second. Everything that he said, we just heard it. It was all chunky, so I don't even heard what he was really saying.
Oh, Your Honor, let me say it, and then Mr. Bowman, who I think might be having some trouble, could just acknowledge it. The case gets dismissed with prejudice. But the respondent stipulates that there was probable cause to make the stop, issue the citation, make the arrest. And that's the standard of how we've been handling this demonstration. My client is a member of Michigan Social Workers for Palestine. She's a professional social worker. She's a good citizen. Speaking her mind, I think this is a fair deal.
Your Honor, that is the agreement.
All right, very well. Your phone broke all the way up, right when you started your sentence, and it didn't stop. All right, the case is going to be dismissed. Best of luck to you, and be safe out there too, Officer Manala. Have a very good day, both of you. And thank you, Counselor. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Counselor, thank you as well.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Bowman. Thank you.
Good to meet you, sir. It's always good to see a 2P number and 3P number lawyer.
Mr. Davis.
Yes.
What's going on?
Does anyone check in on this one?
What's the client's name?
Last name Livingston.
You signed it. I just can't talk. Sign up first time.
Let me get somebody going. Who doesn't? Ms. Harris, are you both without a client?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris, let's go with the city of Detroit versus Clifton, James Clifton Lee, case number U69836124.
Aaron, I think that's Mr. Dupree's matter.
That is Dupree, I'm sorry, I was past that. All right, let's go with Trevino Livingston, case number SP1294595, count 1, counts 2. Appearance for the record.
I think that
Your Honor, Maurice Davis, P76203.
that's Mr. Davis's matter,
Livingston,
I
who is
think.
present and appearing via Zoom. Mr. Livingston, state your name.
Garvio Livingston Jr.
Okay, morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial / formal hearing. Is there Officer Dudley? Officer Dudley.
Your Honor, I move to dismiss.
All right, I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss no officer. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good day, both of you.
Thank you.
Ready to answer Mr. Lewis, Your Honor.
We had Jacqueline Griffin. Hold on, Mr. Lewis, please. Who had Jacqueline Griffin?
Yes.
Did you have Jacqueline Griffin, Mr. Berry?
No, Your Honor. I have not spoken to her.
All right, put your appearance on for let's go back on the record with Jacqueline Griffin. Can you put your appearance on for Ms. Griffin?
Of course. Oh, that's Barry Jr.
No, Ms. Harris.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Griffin, please state your name.
Jacqueline Griffin.
Right, today is the date and time. I don't see Jacqueline. I think I saw you earlier. You're gonna have to leave your camera on. Okay, very good. Good morning. All right, today is the date and time set for, I thought it was a pretrial, and then for the trial.
Trial, and Your Honor, I think that might be Ms. Barrett's matter.
Ms. who?
Barrett?
Ms. Barrett?
If I'm looking at the right Griffin,
Jacqueline.
Is there an Officer Rhodes? Officer Rhodes. Go ahead, Counsel.
I'm standing in for attorney of record. Hearing no response, defense moves to dismiss.
All right, case is going to be dismissed, Ms. Griffin. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. No officer. Officer Rose is a 2021 ticket. Have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Let's get you going on Gibson. That would be Sanchez Gibson.
What time is Mr. Gibson on the docket?
At 8:35, right? Only one case, right down below, like.
Yes. Thank you. I'm looking at it. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Deshaun Gibson Sanchez, case number SP161293552.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of defendant Gibson, please state your name for the record.
Sanchez Deshaun Harvey Gibson.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date time set for pretrial. Do you have a valid driver's license?
No, I do not.
All right, join the breakout room, get him an offer or see what he's trying to get a license. Keep in mind, whatever offer you get, you have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Gibson.
Okay.
Put you in a breakout room. Join, please. All right, let's go. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, did an attorney ever call you?
No, sir.
Let's pass the matter. Let's get one on the spot for him now, please. All right, let's pass the matter. Sit tight, please. I'm gonna get that attorney right now because you sound like you need it. Obey. Obey, but all obey.
Yeah.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus O'Day, Vidal, Obey, case number SB 1613843, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Berry, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Obeid.
O'Day Fidel Obeid.
It's a date and time set for a pretrial. Counsel. I get Mr. Obeid an offer from the city. It's a cycle endorsement and drove on cycle endorsement and drove on sidewalk for give him an offer. You have a cycle endorsement. Did you get that, Mr. Obeid?
Yeah, I have that right here. It's
run his driver's license, please. Obeid. All right. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. O'Neill. Ms. O'Neill, Zoe Grace O'Neill.
I'm here.
All right, we'll dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. There's nothing further, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Berry, I do have a motorcycle endorsement on the license, all right?
Mr. Berry, meet me in meet me in 4, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Let's go back on the record with Obey. You have an absolute right to a trial. Wait on Mr. Berry in 2, okay? All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Gibson. Mr. Gibson, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What's your client want to do, counsel?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting a trial date. It's my understanding there's a few extra steps he needs to take to get his license, and hopefully he can have that done before that trial date.
What do you want to do, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, sir.
All right, well, December the 2nd, 2024 at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, sir.
Best of luck to you. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Marcel Thaddeus Lake. Case number SP 1597911, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lake. Mr. Lake, please state your name.
Marcel Thaddeus Lake.
All right, today is the date and time.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You are not guilty pleading your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lake, do you have valid insurance and registration?
Not yet.
Are you trying to get it?
Yes.
All right. We'll give him a pretrial date, Ms. Harris, December the 12th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. Best of luck to you, Mr. Lake. Hope you can get that insurance and registration, and we'll just deal with the seatbelt when you come back, all right?
All right. Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Love lady, C Love lady. C Love lady.
Lovely.
Dante Lee.
Good morning.
Morning. The City of Detroit versus Shantae Lee. Case number is SP 1586833, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 9722997, counts 1 and counts 2. 194410891204327831. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Ms. Lee, please state your name for the record.
Shantae Lee.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You're not guilty pleading your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. See this old failure to stop ticket here. We missed the court date on 8/26. I don't have any issue setting aside if the city does not object.
No objection.
You have an absolute right to a trial, ma'am. Do you have a license and insurance?
I have license and I'm insured, but I don't have a vehicle to insure. So I don't have.
Your runner license. Pass the matter, we'll run the license and see what's going on, right? Shantae Lee, on Marie Lee on the 845 show cause in the middle. Mr. Love lady.
Can you hear me?
I can. What is your first name?
Cordell.
BCO. All right, Ms. Harris, let's go back on the record with Lee. Lee's license is valid. That takes care of a majority of the cases. She has 2 no insurance and a failure to stop. One of them is pretty old. The other one goes along with that failure to stop. Let me put you in a breakout room, Ms. Lee. Wait on Ms. Harris. Keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? All right, let's pass the matter. Mr. Dupree, good morning. Let's go back on the record with James Clifton Lee. Mr. Dupree, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Certainly, Your Honor. Matthew Dupree, PA 0132, attorney for the defendant.
And Sergeant Willis, can you put your name and badge number and department on the record, please? Did we lose Sergeant Willis? All right, what's going on? Go speak to Mr. Bowman. Mrs. Sergeant Willis is not here. She was. I don't know where she went.
Mr. Dupree, meet me in number 4, please.
Oh, she's in the breakout room. I'm gonna put your client in 5, Mr. Dupree.
Thank you, Judge.
Four. Sergeant Willis, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Sergeant Willis, badge S825.
All right, so Detroit Police.
Oh, sorry. Yes, Detroit Police Department.
Very well. All right. Well, they're talking, and if he needs to speak to you, I'll put you back.
Okay, thank you.
We're waiting on your lawyer, Mr. Lewis. We're waiting on your lawyer. All right. Let's go with who's on that Motorola Moto G Power 5G. That's some kind of yeah, one sir in the red scarf. Can you take the hat off? Or
yes, sir.
Unless it's for religious purposes.
Yes, sir.
What's your name? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Thomas Gracie.
Gracie. All right. Who is Dest?
Hello.
What is your full name, please?
Destin Glover.
Good morning to you, Justin Glover.
Good morning, how are you?
Corporal Rhodes, good morning to you.
How you doing, sir?
All right, very well. Are you here on what are you here on?
I gotta check. I don't have my sheet with me. 1 second.
I think yours, a young lady Griffin.
Yes, Griffin.
Yeah, we called it. Well, I case you didn't make it by the cutoff time.
Okay. I was in the hospital. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry about that. Are you all right?
I'm all right, but my fiance had a stroke. So.
I'm sorry to hear that. We're gonna be praying for her, all right?
Okay.
All right. Best of luck to you.
Thanks,
all right. Obey. Take your hat off, please. Jacqueline. Obey. Take your hat off. All right. Where are we at, Mr. Berry?
We're ready as Mr. Obey, yes.
Back on the record with Mr. Obey. Mr. Obey, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel as to the driving on a sidewalk or curb charge.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes.
Is this today? What's the day it takes? What's it set for today?
Pretrial, Your Honor.
All right. We're gonna set a trial date for December the 2nd. I need a good phone number from you, Mr. Obey.
Yeah, it's gonna be 313-819-2821.
2821. The trial date is gonna be December the 2nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, sir, you need to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney in the next couple of weeks, you need to get back in touch with us, because I'm gonna assume that you've heard from that attorney. If you don't hear from that attorney in the next couple of weeks and you get in touch with us, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, all right?
All right.
Nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right. Thank you. You too.
All right, let's go with Dustin Glover.
All right, I got a copy.
City of Detroit versus Dustin Glover, case number SP 1603514, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1342305, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Glover.
Dustin Muhammad Glover.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. And I got 3 cases on the docket. I called 5 cases into the record. He has some newer cases. One of them is disregarding a red signal and a no-ops. Get him an updated offer, Mr. Berry. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Wait on Mr. Berry. Mr. Glover, he's gonna come and speak to you. If you don't like the offer, then you can have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
So you said I got 5 cases just with you?
Yes.
All right.
All right. Do you have a license?
Yeah, I just went and got it like 3 weeks ago.
Run this driver's license, please.
I don't got a picture of it. I have to get my coworker
I'm
phone.
gonna run it and see what it is. See what it says.
Oh, it's valid. I just got it 2 weeks ago.
All right, we'll see.
Yes, sir. I don't know how to join that room you just told me about. Oh, never mind, I see it.
License is valid, Mr. Berry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Going to 4.
All right, Mr. Bowman, go to 4, please. He's in 1.
All right.
Sebastian Blanco.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. Is that your full name? Oh, Gil Blanco. Juan Sebastian Gil Blanco.
Yes, sir.
Necesito interpreter?
Yeah, I need it.
You need an interpreter?
Yes, sir.
Let's get a Spanish interpreter. Espanol, right?
Yes, sir.
Sebastian, 8:45, it's coming out. All right, sit tight, we're gonna get that interpreter. All right, we're waiting on a lawyer. All right, let's make sure the, is Deshaun Gibson here? Is Deshaun Gibson here? Is Edgar LeBron here? Is Chris Lee here? All right, Chris Lee, Edgar LeBron, Sean Gibson, the officers for them. You're free to leave. Have a very good day, and all you be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor. All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
For officers for Gibson, Mr. Corporal Bennett and Corporal Ambrose. For Gibson, you're free to leave. He didn't show.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Laurie, what's your name? Good morning to you.
Leroy Lowry.
All right. All right, I have you down. Sit tight, please.
Okay.
We're just waiting on a lawyer.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Grant. I have you down as well.
Okay, thank you.
It's Jamila Graham here, Jesse Gribble, Louis Magdani, Brianna Wilson Riley. None of those. Let me see what those things.
Oh. Hey Willie, how are you? Trying to figure out this Zoom court shit, dude.
Oh, wait a minute. Officer,
Struggling my
please.
way through figuring out this Zoom court.
Officer, you're in the courtroom. Careful.
All right, you ready on leave?
Give me just a minute to check in with Mr. Bowman, Judge. I'll try to get it. We should be ready in just a minute.
You respond from Attorney Barrett?
Let me give her a call.
She's supposed to be in. Mr. Lee, you missed the bus.
Yes, Judge. I'm currently in emergency. I'm in an emergency room at the hospital. Dismissed her. Lee.
Say no.
Sorry.
We get that. Mr. Lee. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lee, Shantae Lee.
Yes.
What's going to be the outcome for this one, Ms. Harris? What are you going to? I'll give you an opportunity to speak with your client. What you want to do?
Your Honor, the on docket matters are being dismissed. The failing to stop is being amended to impeding or blockading. And I think that should resolve her matters.
Well, she had an insurance matter. Let me see what's on docket. The old stuff. She had an insurance matter that's pretty new.
So, Your Honor, she was able to show insurance. And I did discuss that with Mr. Bowman. I believe the court. Yep. Okay.
You want to take the deal? $175, ma'am.
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket of an act of factual basis for that responsible plea. Counselor on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the proper cause for dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, ma'am?
Within 2 weeks.
All right, pay it by October 31st, 2024. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDad app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Lee, City of Detroit versus Chris Shen Lee, case number SP 123532882. SB 1309041, SB 1328957, SB 1455961, SB 1481191, SB 1526758, counts 1, counts 2, SB 1564351, SB 1577251. Ms. Harris, appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lee, please state your name for the record.
Chris Lee. Chris Lee, hello.
And then it's SP 1564402, SP 1564359, 2, SP 1526753.
Sorry, Your Honor, this is.
Hold on. SP 1429961, SP 1429911, counts 1, 2, and 3. And all right. So, Mr. Lee, I'm sorry for your unfortunate. Are you in the emergency room on your own? For your
Yes,
own
I am. Yes.
Illness, or not someone else?
No, myself.
All right, I'm gonna do this one last time. This stuff is continuing to go on. Did you ever get a license?
Yes, Your Honor, I have a valid driver's license. I was trying to show my insurance. I had proof of insurance and I had valid plates, but I'm in an emergency, so I left everything at home.
I sent Corporal Fitzgerald Harris was here, McCree was here.
Officer Martin was here.
Officer Martin.
Officer Davis and Officer Dupree.
No, Davis and Dupree are attorneys, aren't they?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm looking at the wrong person anyway, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
I am an officer of the court, Judge. Does that count?
Unless you want to testify to that you pulled Mr. Lee over for something.
Well, he testifies every time he's in the courtroom.
So here's the deal. I didn't see Martin. I never saw Martin. Who checked in with you? Only those two officers that we dealt with.
Only the two officers came
And
in.
who called and said they wanted to dismiss?
Officer Taylor called and said she dismissed her.
And who is this? For
Chris Lee, hold on, right.
For Chris Lee?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, Chris Lee.
So he's in the emergency room. He's got a lot of cases that would be dismissed today. I let McCree go, I let Harris go, and who else was here on leave?
Your Honor, Harris is still, Officer Harris, I think.
Oh, Fitzgerald Harris, can we get McCree back in here? Are you in the, can you take care of this now? Do you have, are you in that situation where you need that medical attention, Mr. Lee, right away?
Well, I'm just waiting for the doctor, Your Honor, but if I can kind of take care of some stuff now just so it won't keep, going back and forth and stuff, Your Honor.
All right, let's pass the matter momentarily. All right, let's, Mr. Dupree, are you ready?
Yes, we are ready on James Lee, Judge.
All right, let's go back on the record with James Clifton Lee. Mr. Lee, did you ever state your name for the record, Mr. Lee?
Yes, it was Chris Lee.
No, not you. It's a bunch of Lees that came.
James Lee, would you, I'm prompting you to unmute your device. Please unmute and state your name.
James Lee.
All right, let's go. What's going to happen with this case?
Judge, the defense is asking to set this matter for a jury trial. I understand it's up for bench today. This is my first day on the case. I was appointed after it had been set for bench trial. I'm asking if the court would let us set it for jury.
All right, Mr. Bowman.
I have no objection, Your Honor.
Can we get a jury? I don't have any jury trial dates as of yet. Somebody's got to have something.
I say yes.
What are you doing?
If the court needs, I guess we could set it for, I know what Judge Wagner is doing with some cases is setting them for a final pretrial so that he can find jury trial dates and then scheduling at the final pretrial.
Yeah. All right. Well, they probably have any jury trial dates then.
Yeah, December 10th, but we already have one set. Some one of class mentions.
We can have two in one day, yeah. Yeah, because it shouldn't take that long. December the 10th. December the 10th.
Judge, I'm going to be, unless the court wants to hold the trial in Australia, I don't think I would be available on the 10th.
When will you be back?
I'm gone from the 2nd through the 13th, but I do have jury trials already scheduled on the 16th, 17th, and 18th of December in front of Judge Yancey and then in circuit court. You guys usually schedule Tuesday jury trials?
I don't schedule any. They do the scheduling. I just listen to what Ms. Mathis says.
I sent you a text.
All right. I mean, there's no sense in setting a final pretrial. This is like a final pretrial. Is there going to be any motions?
No, Judge. It's just a fact.
I have an officer here. I guess we're going to have to set some type of date because only other date I have is the 12th. What day did you say you're leaving? The 2nd?
Yeah, I'm not back till the 13th. Well, I'm not back actually until the 14th.
All right, let's just set it for the 29th is Thanksgiving holiday. Let's just set it for November 22nd and we'll find out what we have by then.
Very well. Thank you, Judge.
All right, 2024 at 8:30. November 22nd, 2024 at 8:30, Mr. Lee. Have a very good day. Best
All
of
right,
luck
yes,
to you.
as well. All is well.
Happy day, everybody.
This Sergeant Willis, have a very good day. Be safe out there.
They keep messing with her.
All right, we got an interpreter coming. Ms. Barrett, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. How you doing?
I'm gonna put you, Mr. Lewis. Is Mr. Lewis still here? Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Lewis. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5 with Mr. Lewis. He has a, let's recall it. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Tyrone Lewis. Ms. Barrett, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Tyrone Lewis.
All right, Mr. Lewis has, Mr. Lewis, press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Mr. Lewis has a number of cases here. The more serious ones are open alcohol and motor vehicle driver and high BAC. Mr. Lewis has allegations that suggest that he has not complied with the terms of his bonds. He is, according to the probation department, he's missed tests on red sheet. He's missed test on 9/19, tested positive for cocaine on 9/23, failed, missed the test on 9/27, and the rest, the 4 other tests are negative. So you're appointed on this case, and Mr. Lewis has not pressed *6 to unmute himself yet. I'm gonna put him in a breakout room. You can try to get him unmuted by tell him to continue to press *6. That will unmute your phone. I'm sending him prompt as well.
Okay, thanks.
He indicates to the court that he did not miss the test. I don't remember what he said about positive for cocaine, if he said anything.
Which room? There you go.
*6, he's in there. All right. All right. Now, we are, Ms. Harris, you need someone?
Sure.
You have Chris Lee, right?
I do.
Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Okay, there is another officer, Officer King, showed as well. So I have Officer King on leave. I had Corporal McCree on leave. I didn't see Flannel. I don't have Flannel written down here. I have, I didn't see Pofish, I didn't see Jackson, I didn't see Martin, Ross. Officer Ross showed. King. Taylor said that she appeared, but she said that she wanted to seek a dismissal, correct?
Yes.
I haven't seen Flannel, Fernandez, Martin. So we have the officers that have showed. We have.
There is an Officer Martin on the screen. I just don't know.
Your Honor.
Where's Officer Martin?
There would be 2 Officer Martins that we're looking for. I don't know which Officer Martin this is.
Are you on, good morning, officer? Yeah, I do have Officer Martin. Are you Officer Joshua Martin?
No, I'm Officer.
What's your last name, officer? I mean, your first name, officer?
Thomas.
You're not here on Lee, are you?
I am for Chris Lee.
You are for Chris Lee?
Yes.
Okay, so it says J. Martin, Thomas Martin. There we go. All right, so it's 2 Martins. Thank you, Ms. Harris. All right, so that's. And did not show you. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tickets. Now, see, if it's only fair, here's Hernandez. Now he's here, and I'm going to allow him, because Mr. Lee was late, I'm going to allow Mr. Officer Hernandez to put his appearance on the record. It's only fair that if Mr. Bowman wants his officers back. I'm gonna have to call Hold on, Mendez, please. I'm gonna have to, allow them to get an adjournment because Mr. Lee, you were late. I understand you're in the emergency room, but you're late. And, these officers did show, so if you can't work out a deal, then, it will be, an adjournment. Okay, Ms. Harris, what do you have to say about that?
Nothing.
Can you work something, or does he want to work something, or Mr. Bowman, do you want to work something out, or what? You want
I'm always available to try to work something out, Your Honor.
Okay, join the room. You guys came back in. Go ahead.
I think the issue might be Mr. Lee doesn't have the documentation to show today. He indicates that he has it, but he doesn't have it to show today. So it might be best to reset him.
Let's reset it. Let's reset it. 9 a.m., December the 2nd, 9 a.m. I hope your health gets better. All the officers on leave, I marked you down here. Be safe out there. Have a very good day. December 2nd at 9 a.m. is going to be the next court date. All right. And Mr. Lee does have a valid license, so I got to congratulate you on that. All right. I hope your health is better. Okay, sir?
Okay, thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
Have a good day. All the officers on leave, we'll do it, try it again on December 2nd.
Will it be a trial date, Your Honor, or a pretrial?
Okay. All right. The officers on leave, be safe out there. Have a very good day.
Your Honor, your December 2nd date, is this going to be a pretrial or a trial date?
Trial date.
Trial date. Okay,
yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's go with Gracie, Thomas Gracie. Let's go with Janice Lindsay, Ms. Harris. This is the City of Detroit versus Janice Michelle Lindsay, case number SP 11451991, SP 15557901, SP 828836, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 8288431. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lindsay, please state your name for the record.
Ms. Lindsay, state your name for the record, please.
Janice.
Break it up now. You're breaking up. State your name for the record.
Janice Michelle Lindsay.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, I have Officer Frazier was here on Lindsay. Is Officer Frazier still here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, Officer Frazier?
Officer Nicholas Frazier, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. And I only have that officer. I don't have Officer Morton or Officer Chappie.
Officer Chappie is on the screen, Your Honor.
Yes.
I'm here, sir.
Chaffee. Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, Officer Chaffee?
Yes, sir. Officer Eric Chafee, Detroit Police Department.
Yes, he was here and on time. All right, so I have two. Where is Officer Morton here? Today is the date time set for a trial. We're looking at a no ops and a driving while license suspended. Get Miss Lindsay an updated offer. You can speak to her in a breakout room. I believe, did you get a license, Miss Lindsay?
Yes, I did.
Run her driver's license, please.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
I'm gonna run it. The license is valid. What do you want to do with the cases, Mr. Bowman?
For any cases where the allegation had to do with a bad driver's license, we will dismiss those tickets. The first one was driver's license suspended. That was Officer Chaffee. I've already talked with Officer Chaffee. If she has valid information, we can dismiss that case. The next ticket is driver's license suspended. It will be dismissed because she has a valid driver's license, and that was also an Officer Morden case, Marden. That officer is not present, so the next three tickets, which are Morden tickets, would be dismissed. As to Officer Frazier, operating driver's license not on possession, if she is she has a valid driver's license, that ticket would be dismissed also. So Ms. Lindsay should go home and play the lottery.
I know I am. All right, Ms. Lindsay, case is dismissed for the reasons stated for SP 1145199 and SP 155557901. Going to be dismissed for providing valid documentation, and for SP 828836 counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 828841 dismissed for no officer. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. Before you play the lottery, you need to pay these reinstatement fees, though, ma'am. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? There's nothing further. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Forgive me.
Congratulations on the license. Say that again.
I said I want to thank you for giving me an opportunity to get my license.
I want to thank you for taking the opportunity and doing so. All right. All right. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Officer Chaffee and Officer Frazier. Both be safe out there. Have a very good day.
Thank you. You too, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
All right. Love Lady. Love Lady was here, but I didn't see you on the dock. Where's Love Lady? What's your first name?
Cordell.
I think he just snuck in. No,
I was actually, that's what I was thinking.
You've been here all morning. Let's see. Well, just give me a minute, all right?
Okay.
Great. Gracie, Thomas Gracie, this is the city of Detroit versus Thomas Gracie Jr. Case number SP 1612685, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1612691, appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Grace, state your name for the record.
Gracie.
Ms. Harris, what time is he listed for?
8:35.
8:35?
Lewis come back out here because I couldn't get him to unmute.
No, he didn't. Let's see if he's probably on the here he is. I'll put him in a breakout room. Go back to 5, please.
Hello?
Mr. Gracie, are you there? Unmute yourself, sir. And state your name for the record, please.
Thomas Gracie.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for pretrial. Get him an updated offer. Ms. Harris and Mr. Gracie, I'm gonna go to breakout room 3. Ms. Harris is gonna come in there and talk to you once she talks to the city attorney, okay?
Yes.
You have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please.
Okay.
Mr. Berry, are we ready on Mr. Glover?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Glover. Mr. Glover, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor. My client needs to gather documents.
Can we get his file? All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Glover?
Yes.
All right, come back December the 5th, 2024 at 9 a.m., okay? You have any questions?
It's gonna be the same code.
Same code.
You said 8:45.
9 a.m., December the 5th, 9 a.m.
All right. No, I'll
Have a
go.
good day, sir. Best of luck to you. All right. Ms. Cox, good morning to you.
Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
Maria Cox, State of Michigan, qualified Spanish interpreter, ID Q21112.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm do you swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in a manner now before the court not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
Do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish, Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Sebastian Gil Blanco. Case number SP 1589070, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1589081. Appearance for the record, please.
Señor Juan S. Gil Blanco, llamaron a su caso. El juez me juramentó a mí y leyó el número de su ticket SP 15890701, cargos 1, 2 y 3, y el tiquete S5890871. Por favor, digan sus nombres para las actas.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, sir.
El abogado Berry se presentó representándolo usted. Por favor, diga su nombre completo para las actas.
Juan Sebastián Gil Blanco.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause, Mr. Berry.
Hoy es el día y la fecha para mostrar los cargos.
Your Honor, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Nosotros nos quedamos en silencio con respecto a los cargos y se declara inocente.
Enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond.
Your Honor, I have just been called to another court. May I pause for a minute?
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
That's all right. Let's pass the matter.
Ya, vamos a regresar un momentico.
Your Honor, where does the defendant stand on the docket?
The show cause, he only has one case, and here you can write this down, Mr. Berry. The driving while license never acquired. It was accompanied with 3 other cases that I don't know why they're not all on the docket. It's driver's license never acquired, improper plate, no insurance misdemeanor, and an unregistered untitled. We'll pass that, and we'll go back on. Let's continue on. Stan Graham.
Your Honor, if I may.
Thank you.
Can we check the status of the trial on Edgar Ishmael LeBron Officer Hardison has been here, and we want to see if he's checked in.
Yeah, I told the officers Corporal for Deshaun Gibson, for Edgar LeBron. Those officers are free to leave. I've told them that.
Okay, good enough. Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, be safe out there. All right, let's go. Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go right now with, I need that other file, Graham, Stan Graham. Let's go with the City of Detroit versus Cordell Lovelady Jr. City of Detroit versus Cordell Lovelady Jr. Case number SP 1613497, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Berry, Mr. Lovelady is not on the docket today, he's on tomorrow's docket. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Cordell Lovelady Jr.
Cordell. Is that correct, Mr. Lovelady?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Let's call the date, and time set for pre-trial. He's got a leaving the scene of a property damage accident, Mr. Berry, a failure to stop, an ID of property damage accident, and a no insurance misdemeanor. Mr. Lovelady, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Mr. Berry's going to have a conversation with Mr. Bowman. He's going to come in and talk to you. And if you keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please.
Your Honor, that was leaving the scene of a property damage accident, failure to stop.
ID, a property damage act / ID, a property damage accident, and a no insurance misdemeanor. So three misdemeanors.
All right. No insurance. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah. Let's go back on the record. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Gracie. Mr. Gracie, I've given you an opportunity. Go to 4, Mr. Berry. Mr. Gracie, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, first I'll just note that I did have Mr. Gracie turn his video off for hearing his audio clearly, but he wishes to be pursuant to the recommendation where he would plead to allowing, and the remaining 2 matters would be dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gracie?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down.
Thank you.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
Pardon me, Your Honor?
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to August the 14th, 2024 at around 4:23 p.m. Excuse me, in the city of Detroit, in the area of Woodward and Local Street. Excuse me. Did you have occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, Your Honor.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, Your Honor. I told you that.
Why is that?
I don't have any license.
All right, very well. Find your client. Let me ask you, Mr. Grace, you still live in Auburn Hills?
Yes, yes,
You made it all the way down from Auburn Hills to Detroit.
yes,
It's not for driving without a license.
yes, Your Honor. I was going to pay an attorney.
So you gonna do it what?
I was going to pay my attorney, and I got to pay.
Not for this case, were you?
Pardon me?
Not for this case, were you?
I couldn't understand you.
I know, Mr. Barry's. Not for this case, were you?
No, Your Honor, no.
It used to be the other way around, didn't it, Mr. Gracie? You could
Yes,
drive
Your
all
Honor.
day in the city of Detroit back in the days, and as soon as you went out to Oakland County, you got the ticket.
Yes, Your Honor.
You remember those days, don't you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Find him guilty of the amended count of allowing $240 dismissal upon payment. Stipulation of probable cause dismiss the other two matters now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, when are you gonna pay this, sir?
How soon can I pay it?
You can pay it today.
Well, I don't have any license to come down there today, and I don't have anybody to drive for me today. But I can get it paid.
That didn't stop him from coming down here to pay his lawyer the other time.
Oh, well, are you giving me permission, sir?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You can pay it at the DivDat kiosk, and I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. I'll give you a week to figure it out. How about that?
Okay, I can come down there tomorrow and pay it.
All right, you gonna come down tomorrow or pay it by tomorrow? What time are you gonna be here?
I'll be there in the morning. Be there like after 1.
Say what?
After 1, before 3.
Oh. All right, come zoom back in on Monday, the 21st. If it's paid, well, if you come down here, you don't have to zoom back in because it'll go through immediately and I'll dismiss it. But if you want to see it through, but if it's not paid, I need to see you on the 1st, all right? 21st, on Monday, the 21st.
It'll be paid, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. A very good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a nice day yourself. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Stan Laverne Graham, case number V136-83924, SP 1379375. SP 1452834 SP 1466191, and Z795274. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Unmute yourself, Mr. Graham. Good morning to you. State your name, please.
Okay. Hello?
Hello. State your name for the good morning to you, Mr. Graham. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Stan Laverne Nelson Graham.
All right. Today is the date and time. It's going to be set for a probably an arraignment on the warrants. Let's see.
Show cause, Your Honor. So for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Wait.
And the warrants. He's got warrants on the other issues that I call him.
Hello. Yes, Your Honor. What issues? I just found out about this. Whatever's going on, I have no clue.
I'm about to clue you in, Mr. Graham. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
All right. You have a dog. You have a dog restraint. That's what's on the docket for the day. The dog, basically, that's saying the dog got out of the yard or whatever. You have a driving while license. The driving while license revoked. You have a driving while license suspended, commercial vehicle. You have a driving while license revoked. You have operating while intoxicated. All of them are 93 days in jail and or $500 fine as the maximum possible penalty. As for purpose of arraignment on the warrant, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my clients.
You went out.
Oh, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I'll enter not guilty plea in your client's behalf. I will not give your client a $0 bond. I will give your client a $500 personal bond. Mr. Graham, I'm gonna have you start having you require you to test 1 time per week. No drinking during the pendency of this case. No leaving state of Michigan without court's permission. And I'm going to refer the matter to probation so they can facilitate the testing, okay?
If you don't understand, Tony, you don't understand.
I don't understand, Your Honor. When did I get a driving intoxicated?
The allegation was made, 5/30/2010.
Oh, Lord.
May 30th, 2010, in the area of Livernois and Kendall.
No.
Okay.
Livernois and Kendall.
So, Mr. Graham, I need a good phone number from you.
A what, Your Honor?
A good phone number from you.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's breaking up, but phone number. It says low network.
That's not.
Oh, okay. 313-465-3829.
$38.29.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you going to hire a lawyer, or are you going to have what court appoint you one, or are you going to go with the lawyer you're on that day?
We need to do some research. This is the only thing I'm his sister. I'm just here for support. But we only thought we were here regarding the dog issue. Everything else is like just sprung on us this moment. So not giving us time to think or have a thought about it is not, I don't think that's workable right now.
Pardon me, ma'am. What is your name, ma'am?
Pardon me, I'm sorry.
What's your name, please?
I'm Tasha, his sister.
Tasha Graham?
Nope, Owens.
Tasha Owens, all right. Well, I mean, this is, this is actually serious allegation. I understand that, but.
Absolutely, which is why I'm requesting some kind of research to look more into this. Again, this is just being sprung on us at this moment. We really thought we were looking about the dog issue, so.
That's why I'm asking him, does he want to hire a lawyer so the lawyer can help him research? Does he want to have the lawyer, see if we can appoint him an attorney? Or is he just going to go with the lawyer that's in the courtrooms on his next court day?
I don't know. I have to confer with my stepfather to see if hiring a lawyer is possible. Right now, I'm on a fixed income, and I'm going to have to seek some other financial assistance to hire my own lawyer. But if it's so, then I would have the court-appointed lawyer that I would need to confer with before the case comes up.
All right, we're gonna appoint an attorney for you.
Okay.
Should we decide to go with an attorney?
In the meantime, pardon me?
You're appointing an attorney to solidify the case, but should we decide to get an attorney, we can replace that one, correct?
Absolutely.
Okay, just wanted to get clearance on that. Thank you.
All right. So what I need you to do, Mr. Graham, you need to answer the calls that you don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. In the meantime,
Okay.
you're gonna get a call, you should get a call from probation. I'm gonna give you the number to probation.
Okay.
If you have
Okay.
it in,
Yeah.
313-965-3414. That probation officer should call you up and you should start testing. I realize that today is Thursday, the 17th. In a perfect world, you would be able to have a test done by today or tomorrow, but I don't think that's necessarily gonna happen. But by next week, I need a test from you. And if you don't hear from a probation officer by then, I need you to get in touch with the court early next week so we can get one right on the spot and that they can facilitate the testing for you. If there's any positive tests, any missed tests, or any tests that are diluted, then we're gonna up the ante on the bond. You understand where I'm coming from, Mr. Graham?
Yes, sir. And this is tested for alcohol?
Alcohol.
Wow. Okay, Your Honor, but I don't drink alcohol. I drink beer.
That's alcohol.
Oh, well, okay.
That's alcohol. So
That's
you're gonna
alcohol.
you're gonna have to stop drinking here and get yourself another carbonated drink.
Okay. Okay. I understand now. Yeah.
Or non-carbonated or just non-alcoholic. I don't know. They'll duels or do it for you. I don't know.
But I'll be satisfied with nothing.
Well, that's what you're gonna have to do.
So I have to stop drinking today, right now.
Yep. Yep.
That's what the order is.
Okay, you're breaking up.
I said, that's what the order is. That's what the order says.
Okay. I understand.
All right. If it's nothing further, December the 12th is going to be your next court date at 8:30 a.m. Again, if you don't hear from that lawyer, you can get back in touch with us sooner than that. Just
Your
give it
Honor,
about 2. Yes.
May I have a court date for somewhere in January of 25, please, to give me more time?
No, that's gonna be the next court date, December the 12th. I need to be able to monitor you, and I think that 2 months almost is enough time.
Well, that particular date is a birth date, a birthday date.
Whose birthday?
My birthday is December the 3rd. My sister, who is here supporting me, hers is December the 12th.
So what's
birthday in court, please?
She just did. She said, "Could she not spend her birthday in?"
She doesn't have to spend her birthday in court. You could do it. I didn't tell. I don't have any.
30 years old doesn't even know how to work a computer. You don't understand. He needs help. He needs my help.
Well, I understand that, but I don't have any jurisdiction over Miss Owens. But you got to come on in. Do you have another date for him? December.
We were just asking. That's all. No hurry.
So
asking.
I don't do it on this Zoom.
Do December the 13th. December the 13th.
Sounds great.
That's your birthday present, Miss Owens, from the court.
I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
We have court December 13th.
So I come to court. I do the Zoom thing.
You can do the Zoom
Is
now.
it court Zoom or court? Okay.
Hey, it's like
Zoom.
it's
All right.
like it's like Burger King. You have it your way, Mr. Graham. You can come in or you can come on. All I want is for you to not have any positive tests, so I don't have to deal with you like I got to deal with Mr. Lewis today.
Okay, Your Honor.
We'll be there for sure.
Best of luck. Happy birthday to you both. Okay.
Yes, sir. You have a blessed day, Your Honor.
You have a better one. Thank you, and thank your sister for her help too.
Oh yes. I'll be 69 December the 3rd. So I don't even know how to turn the computer on my phone. All I do is talk and or text. I'm a dinosaur. I have to upgrade myself.
Better get it.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, take it easy.
Okay.
All right, let's do this. Let's go, with, did anybody put their appearance on the record for Gil, Blanco? Ms. Harris, let's recall the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Gil Blanco, case number SP 1589070, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1589071. Appearance for the record, please.
Señor Blanco, ¿volvieron a llamar a su caso? Le preguntaron que se presentaran los abogados y después usted.
Okay.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Gil Blanco, please state your name for the record.
La abogada Harris, representando al señor Blanco, por favor diga su nombre en voz alta.
Juan Sebastián Gil Blanco.
For purpose, my client stands mute.
Por el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente se queda en silencio.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond.
Voy a entrar una declaración de no culpable a favor de su cliente y le daré una fianza de $0.
And I'll recall the warrant on the off-docket matters.
Y voy a anular todas las órdenes de arresto en estos cargos.
All right, off-docket matters are unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor, and an improper plate.
Los cargos son que el carro no tenía registro, que no tenía seguro de carro y que las placas no estaban apropiadas.
I don't know why they didn't make it to the docket because all of them are alleged on the same date.
No sé por qué no lo pusieron en el horario, porque todo sucedió el mismo día.
Let me pass it momentarily. Mr. Lovelady, you're not driving, are you? All right, Mr. Lovelady, are you driving?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Are you driving?
Yes, I am.
All right, you got. I'm gonna put you out the room. You zoom back in when you're pulled over. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Gil Blanco. Ms. Harris, give Mr. Gil Blanco an updated offer, and keep in mind he has an absolute right. Tell him to keep in mind he has an absolute right to a trial.
Nos van a mandar a un cuarto privado para que hable el abogado con usted. Por favor, acepte la invitación cuando le salga en la pantalla.
Join the room, please.
Por favor, acepte la invitación. Okay, Your Honor, I will go there. Am I needed for someone else, Your Honor? I see somebody by the name of Pedro.
Pedro.
Señor Pedro, ¿quién es usted? Prenda su micrófono y conteste, señor Pedro.
Yeah, hello?
¿Necesita una intérprete?
No.
Oh, he says he does not need an interpreter, Your Honor.
Very well.
Okay.
And Erica's iPhone. She left. Mr. Berry, you got Lovelady. He's driving. Pedro, what is your name, sir? Good morning to you. Oh,
Good morning, sir.
Guerrero Pedro?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Guerrero Pedro, case number SP 1587565, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Berry? I keep doing it.
Yes, Your Honor. Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Pedro. State your full name, sir.
Pedro Guerrero.
All right, today is the date and time set for Pretrial, you have a license, sir?
Yes, sir.
Run his license for me, please, Ms. Knox.
Excuse me, Judge, just Melita Barrett. I need to talk to the city prosecutor. I can't get their attention.
In 4, please. 4, Mr. Bowman, please. Mr. Berry, back on the record with Bureau. He has a valid driver's license. It's unblemished. At least as of right now. He's got a 16 to 20 over the speed limit. Go ahead and speak to Mr. Berry. Bowman in the breakout room, Mr. Garrow. I'm gonna put you in there. Wait on Mr. Berry, okay?
All right.
Join the room, please. Officer Hernandez and Corporal Bennett.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. You both have been free to leave. You were here on Gibson as well. Were you here on Gibson, Hernandez? Which defendant were you here on?
Give me 1 second. Let me check my subpoena really quick.
And I'll let you know this now. I give the officers a half-hour grace period from the time that the trial is supposed to start. So if it's by 9:30, if you're not here, we call it. We call it no officer. All right.
Okay, I apologize. I was on the street doing an arrest, and I hurried up and got back on course.
Gibson never showed though, so you got to redo on that. No, that's not Gibson.
I think it was on Lee. Chris Lee.
Yeah, been on Lee. Lee is coming back December the 2nd.
Okay, I'll look forward to that subpoena then.
All right, be safe.
All right, thank you very much.
All right, Corporal Bennett, your guy never showed either. Gibson.
Okay, Your Honor.
So we'll fail you to appear.
Okay.
Be safe.
Thank you.
Safe. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gil Blanco. Mr. Gil Blanco, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Vamos a regresar otra vez al cargo del señor Gil Blanco. Señor Gil Blanco, yo les di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado. Señora abogada, ¿cómo quieren proceder?
Your Honor, my client is requesting a pretrial date.
Mi cliente está pidiendo una otra audiencia preliminar.
Is that what you want to do? Pretrial date is December the 12th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m.
Eso es lo que quiere hacer, señor Gil Blanco. La próxima audiencia sería el 12 de diciembre a las 8:30 de la mañana.
If it's nothing further, Mr. Blanco, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Si no tiene ninguna otra pregunta, señor Blanco, entonces ya terminamos. Por favor, anote la fecha porque tal vez no llegue nada por el correo.
Dame un momento.
I asked him to write it down, Your Honor, and he said, give me a minute.
¿Me puedes decir la fecha otra vez, por favor?
Can you tell me the date again?
December the 12th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m.
El 12 de diciembre a las 8:30 de la mañana. Same Zoom, Your Honor.
Same Zoom.
Por el mismo número de Zoom como se conectó hoy.
Ok. Una pregunta.
One question.
¿La orden de arresto que tengo la sigo teniendo o
So
me
the
elevan?
order of arrest, is that still valid?
No, I recalled the warrant.
No, yo anulé esa orden de arresto.
Ok. Entonces, como ya tengo licencia, ¿sí puedo manejar?
So since I already do have a Michigan license, am I okay to drive?
If it's valid.
Si es válida.
Sí.
Yes.
Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Muchísimas gracias. Un placer.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure.
Ms. Cox, have a good day. I'll see you soon.
Yes. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day. Thank you, Ms. Harris and Ms. Berry, Mr. Berry. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Have a great day.
This is the City of Detroit versus Ashley Grant, case number SB 160-8954-1, SB 160-8956, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Grant, please state your name for the record.
Ashley Grant.
Good morning, Chief Ben. Today is the date and time set. A pretrial. All right. Do you have valid license registration? Do you have a valid registration?
Yes.
Let's see what you have. Well, you can see that, Ms. Harris. She also has a disregard disregarding a red signal, I guess.
And it appears that was going to be amended to impeding. She has her registration to show the court now.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Let's see what you have, Ms. Grant.
Can you see it or no? Do I put it up to the camera or do I take a picture?
I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied. Thank you.
I never did this before. 1 second, Miss Lower. I'm on court.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 second, Miss Lower. I'm sorry, I'm at work.
You want to take the deal? That's a blocking traffic, void that 3-point offense, making it a 0-point offense, but doesn't abstract the Secretary of State and $175 for the disregard of the red signal amended from that.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. You just breaking up a little bit on me. I'm sorry. It might be my signal because my phone went out a couple of times.
Amended from disregarding a red signal is a 0-point offense. They're offering you a blocking traffic for disregarding a red signal. 0-point offense, $175. You want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Ms. Grant?
Right now, my brother was the one that was murdered on the news on Sunday by the security guard, and I've been helping my family pay for his funeral. Can I get it like a couple of weeks?
Your Honor, I would ask if the court would consider waiving any fines.
I'll waive the fines, ma'am.
Thank you.
I can't understand, and I don't know any of the facts. I just can't understand how somebody's at work and somebody brings them some food and it escalates to somebody getting killed. I just can't understand.
And my brother is really I don't want to start crying on here, but it's so unfortunate that, you know, I'm fortunate to have my own home care agency, but it's unfortunate that I can't leave and I have to work so much that I can't really be there, but monetarily for my family. But my brother, he was getting his life together. He wasn't doing anything wrong. And it's just so sad, you know, and then the harassment from the family. I understand they want to, you know, take up for their family, but when you know someone's wrong, they're wrong. You take accountability.
Yeah,
so I appreciate the court.
to you. I'm sorry for interrupting.
I can't say anything about who's wrong or right because I don't know, right? You know, but I'm just saying that somebody that's going to work every day and by another basically co-worker, I just can't see how something like that can. My condolences go out to you. It's not what we're going to be praying for y'all. We're going to be praying for everybody involved, but especially
I
for you
appreciate that.
and your brother, all right?
I appreciate that.
My condolences, Mrs. Grant. We're praying for you.
Thank you so much.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. We're going to waive the fines in the interest of justice, and we will still be praying, and hopefully you guys can come to your hearts will be mended at some point. I know that will never heal, but you know, time kind of heals things. But hopefully you can get through this.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
All right. Have a great day, ma'am.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, everybody.
City of Detroit versus Detroit Deshaun Laurie. Case number SP 160-84431. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lowry, please state your name for the record. You have to unmute your device.
Leroy Lowry.
All right, Mr. Laurie, you got this old, it's not that old. It's a speeding ticket, limited 1 to 5 over on the freeway. You never did anything about. And it went into default on I-94 on the lodge in Wyoming. There's no objection. I don't have any objection to setting the default aside. It went. I don't have any problem to set the default aside. It went into default on 8/22/2024.
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, so let's call into the record the state of Michigan versus Leroy Deshaun Laurie as well, SX 441811591. So 2 tickets, smoking marijuana in a motor vehicle. I don't have a file here, Mrs. Harris, and that 1 to 5 over the speed limit. Absolute right to a trial. So let me put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris and have a conversation with her, all right?
All right.
Join the room, please. All right. Are we ready on Guerrero?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Pedro Guerrero, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer. He's prepared to plead to speeding 11 to 15 miles over.
You couldn't keep that unblemished record, huh? He has an unblemished driving record. All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Guerrero. 11, Mr. Guerrero, 11 to 15 is 3 points. Is that what you want to do? Take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
And you just, what is this? You're 18 years old?
Yeah.
Who's paying your insurance?
Myself?
You know you're about to get a big boost in your insurance?
Yep.
Your Honor, if I may, the people would have no objection to setting a pretrial and sending Mr. Guerrero to driving school because of his age, and upon successful completion of driving school, maybe we can file a less restrictive amended charge.
You hear that, Mr. Guerrero? I would agree. I think that even more than just punishing you for the speeding, I think you do need to get some driver re-education. So you can kind of, you probably just now are recently getting your license, at least in the last couple of years. And
this happened. The ticket I got it before I had my license. I was going to driving school. I had my permit already. I was in the process of getting my license when all of this happened.
Okay.
So yes, I attended school after what happened. I attended school for another 3 weeks.
Oh, he just got his license on 8/19/2024.
Yes,
so
sir.
what did you learn out of the driving? What did you learn from the driving class that you took to get your license? Let's talk about speeding.
Speeding, the only reason why it happened that day?
No, not the reason why you were speeding this day. Let's talk about what you learned from driving school about speeding.
That speeding can kill you. It can kill other people. It's not correct to do it in streets, especially when you should be following the speed limit. That's why it's still for.
That's a good try. I'm still going to make you take the driving course. If you choose. If you don't, you take this 3 points and it's fine. What do you want to do?
You do not want points, sir. Please.
When will the courses be?
It's going to be online. I'm going to give you 30 days to do it. I'm putting the course in.
What time would I have to, what times would I have to attend? Because I have worked pretty much 10, 11 hours a day.
You can attend it whenever you want to. It's going to be online, so you'll just go to the course. You don't have to do it. You take the 3 points.
And the course, I just have to, I can do it online, right? You said?
Yeah.
Okay, then, okay, I'll do that.
All right, I put the course in the chat. Why don't you take a screenshot of that right now?
Yeah.
You have it?
Yeah. And it says I have to pay $41 to do it?
Yep. And you're gonna have to pay again if you take a deal on the speeding ticket. So you're working all that overtime, you're making money. All right. His young self is saying, I don't want to do this. But he listened to the much seasoned older man that's on his other side telling him he needs to do that. What do you want to do?
The problem is not even about that. The problem is all about money and time. Because I don't really know when I could be able to do all of this. When you said 30 days,
Listen, I'm not gonna go over it with you. Either take it or you don't. That's all it is to it.
All right, I'll just take the points instead.
Yeah, if you're talking about money, I guarantee you're gonna spend a lot more money on the points. Do you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I know, it's tough. He'll figure it out one day. You stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of 11 to 16 over, to 15 over, 11 to 15 over, and $150. Can you pay it, sir?
Yes, sir. I got it. Could I go to, you said I can go to downtown, right? To pay it off in person?
You can pay at the DivDat kiosk there in the city of Detroit at the Myers and CVS and stuff, or you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it.
All right, I got it. I'll pay it.
When can you pay it?
Within a week.
All right, I'm going to give you until next Friday to have it paid, and good luck with that insurance. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day.
Thank you.
We tried. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Laurie. Mr. Laurie, you want a bench trial?
Yes, sir.
December the 24th, December the 5th at 9 a.m., sir.
And you can't get nothing sooner than that?
No, we got them stacked up. That's actually some dates that Mrs. Mathis gave me to fill in.
And Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting that discovery be made available for House Counsel that day.
Ms. Harris, what time is Mr. Laurie listed for today?
8:35, page 5, first name.
Okay, hold on. Thank you. Discovery requested today.
All right, I got it marked on thing too, and we make sure that gets to the front.
Hey, can we get the body cam too?
That's discovery.
Oh, okay, okay.
Now, the love lady. All right, have a good day, Mr. Laurie. Best of luck to you.
Hey, thank you. Y'all have a good day.
Yo, Bella. What happened to Love Lady, Mr. Berry?
What happened is that Mr. Lovelady indeed has counsel.
So he'll be back tomorrow?
Yes, for sure.
I'll leave this here then. All right, Miss Baird, you ready on Lewis?
Well, Judge, I guess this is the question. He was trying to get on Zoom. He's having problems with that. I don't know. Do you want us to get a date to come back where he's on Zoom so you can see his face, or how do you want to proceed?
Well, I want to talk about this bond right now.
Okay, we can do that.
All right, I'm bringing him in the room. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Ms. Baird, you put your appearance on the record, didn't you?
I think so. Melita Baird on behalf of Mr. Lewis. I think I did.
Key number, please.
43238.
All right. Mr. Lewis, well, Miss Baird, after I've given you an opportunity to get acquainted with your client, what do you want to say about this bond and these allegations that were made? He has a right to a hearing if he chooses. He can plead guilty if he chooses. What does he want to do?
Well, Judge, he's indicating to me that he doesn't use cocaine and that it's a possibility some marijuana that he had been smoking might have had the cocaine in it.
I don't care what it is on there. If it's cocaine, it's cocaine. If he's smoking marijuana and with cocaine, then he's got a problem with his dealer.
Well, that would be where he's at because that's the only explanation he has. But he's been clean for alcohol, to my understanding.
Well, that's not good enough, Mr. Lewis. And what about the failed reports? Failed to show up.
Well, he was working and he made them up.
You can't make them up. Once you fail it.
Well, that's why he didn't show up. He was working.
Yeah.
But Your Honor, to my defense, they told me that I could walk in, so I had to pay an extra $25 to redrop. So each time that I was working, I paid an additional $25 to make up for the day that I missed when they called my color. So I was current. And yesterday I went and I still was clear yesterday. They called my color yesterday and I was clear. So it wasn't that I just did not go. I went and paid the extra fee to make up for the test.
And why does it say failed to report then? Where did you go somewhere else?
I don't know, because when I was talking with Miss McCall, I told her that I made it. She said it's still showing that I didn't come back, but I paid the extra I paid $40 instead of $15 to make sure that it was current. So I didn't miss no drop. I was just working, and then I came to. They told me I could walk in and pay the extra fee, and that's exactly what I've done.
Don't they provide the time? If you're at work when they call, don't you have a certain amount of time to get in there after you get off work?
Sometimes I work at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. I work in the bars.
They're calling you at 3 or 4 in the morning.
Yeah, but so a lot of times I be asleep, and when I call and find out about it, then I'm already back at work again. So on my day off, that's when I went in.
Well, you need to stop smoking that marijuana then.
I have.
He has. He's been negative on that. All right, listen. You're gonna cut you a break this time. You got a lawyer now. I don't want to see any more. This is the only opportunity I'm giving you. What are you gonna do with this case, Ms. Harris?
Judge, he has a number of cases. Can we get a bench trial date on those cases? It's nine cases, my understanding.
And so that I'm clear, we're talking about Tyrone Francis Lewis or?
Yes.
Okay.
Tyrone Francis.
Thank you.
All right. The trial date is going to be December the 5th, 2024 at 9 a.m.
Okay, you got that, Mr. Lewis?
December the 5th at 9 a.m. But it's going to be, can I come in?
You may.
I'm going to be on thing again. I'm having problem with the Zoom.
Okay. We talked about this. We'll see what we can do. He'll be in person on Zoom if we can get it straight first, Judge.
Does you have his phone number?
He has my phone number and I have his. I gave it to him.
Very good.
And I purchased another phone that had Zoom downloaded, but I still.
Mr. Lewis,
I'm sorry.
we'll talk about
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day, everyone. Best of luck to you, Mr. Lewis. Be safe. Ms. Barrett, have a good day.
Okay, thank you too, Judge. Bye-bye.
Okay, Ms. Barrett.